is a pretty cool dog water bowl. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this big, huge, no spill dog water bowl. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This one is really, really cool. So it is a great big stainless steel bowl. This is going to hold a ton of water. I love that not only does it have the filters that you can put in it, but it has this mat. So if your dogs do manage to splash a little bit out of here, it's going to land on this mat and not all over your floor, which is nice. So the way these work, this is like a little flotation device that goes in here. The filters would go in here in the center. I'm not going to install a filter because I am going to be giving this to my brother, so I want to make sure he can use the filters for everything he wants. And then the top of this clips on the top. We're going to put some water in this and show you exactly how it works. Water in the bowl. And of course, Eleanor is going to come give it a try. What do you think? You can see the water comes right up through the middle. And as she splashes a little bit, kind of gets on the edge here, but it has these holes on the side. So most of the water is going to go right back down in there. And then again, if I had the filter, it would kind of flow through the filter back down into the bowl. But if she does manage to splash it on the outside like I did when filling it, it's going to get caught on the catch mat on the outside. The mat also makes it a really nice non-slip bowl. Your dogs aren't going to push this all around the house, which is really nice. This is huge. This thing holds 4 gallons of water. It was almost a full 4 gallons that I filled up and put in here. So this holds a ton of water. Clearly Eleanor approves of it. What do you think of that? Okay, good. There is an example. So when she pulled her head up, she dripped a little bit of water and it all landed on the mat instead of on the rug. So the water will end up there instead of all over your floor. That is definitely a benefit. If you guys are looking for a great no spill, no splash dog water bowl, this one is a win. I love that it's stainless steel. Makes it 10 times easier to clean. Wash your dog bowls, people. Wash your dog bowls. Remember we talked about the importance of cleaning. Look at all of this comes apart so easily. So you can clean each part individually, which makes it extra nice.